Today we're taking another walk. Up to one of Tbilisi's most Instagrammed, most Facebooked, most YouTube sites in all of Tbilisi. Is it these nice old European streets that we're walking down? With the cobblestone pavement. Is it these old ramshackle churches that you run across on every corner? Is it the Mother of Georgia's statue sitting high up on the hill? With its hundreds of steps leading up to it? Don't worry, we're gonna go. We're gonna take a volt. That's a lot of steps. No, it is not. It is the Shiva the Cat Mural. Come on a walk with us, and let's go see the famed and most photographed cat in all of Tbilisi, Shiva the Cat. We walked all the way up this hill just for you, Cassie. Oh, goody. Now I get to walk back down the hill. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. There'll be much more content coming from Georgia. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.